Number 4. Cold start time. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. I just got done from coming back from Copart for picking up our latest Copart win. Oh boy, y'all will see it in the upcoming video. But today's video is just a very short update video for you guys on the Bugatti Chiron. You guys, I've been getting comments, or people been in the comment section and they're saying like, yeah, the car's gone. It went for 1.23. It went for, listen. The car is not sold, all right? I'm telling you now, I literally just left. The offer has not been accepted by State Farm. Fake news. I don't know who is telling y'all that shit. I'm telling you right now, the Bugatti has not sold yet. Until the insurance company accepts the offer. Now, I can say this. Copart did counter offer the proposed buyer on behalf of State Farm. State Farm wanted 1.87 for the car. They want 1.87 for the car, and the winning bid was 1.516. All right, 1.516. So $1,500,000, was the winning bid. So they're going to counter. Now, I don't know what they countered them for. They probably countered and probably asked for the 1.87. All I know is at this point, right now, today, at 5:15 p.m. on Friday, whoever the prospective buyer is has not answered the counter offer bid. Now, it'll stay like that over the weekend. And if the counter offer, usually it's 72 hours. If they don't accept the counter offer or decline it, Copart automatically relists the car. That's how it works. So if everybody's saying, oh, it's sold, no shit. You can, cars will say sold when an auction is over. If somebody won, it will say sold. It does not mean that the car is gone. It hasn't been approved yet. I'm just telling you, I got to see it with my own eyes. I'm just telling you, it's not gone yet. Could it be sold, or could the person that had the winning bid be the person that wins the car? Of course, they could go ahead and accept the counter bid, or they could stay firm at 1.516, and State Farm would just say, you know what, we might not get that again, so let's just take it. And they take the winning bid, and then that's it. That's the end of it. It could sell. But as it is right now, and this is just a very short video for you guys, as it is right now, the car has not friggin' sold. Okay, I'm telling you. Not only did I go to Copart here and have them look in the system here, but I even reached out to the guy who runs the forklifts down there at West Palm Beach and said, hey, have they sold that? Did they sell the Bugatti, or did they take the counter? Did the counter bid get completed yet? Did they finish it yet? And you know what the answer was? No, TK. No, it's not sold yet. They have not answered the counter bid. So, geniuses, for all you internet sleuths and people that think y'all know everything on the internet, no, the car has not friggin' sold yet. And when it does, I will be the first one to be like, it's gone, it's sold. All right, but as it is right now, it's not sold yet. So we'll see what happens. I think it is. I think the insurance company's probably going to take the 1.5 and cut their losses and call it a day. We'll see. But as it is right now today at, what did it say it was? I know that's not right. Oh, it is right. At 5:17 p.m. on Friday, it ain't sold. All right? Just giving you a little bit of inside information. Just telling you, it ain't sold. But by Monday, or if it happens over the weekend, if the counter bid is approved and somebody from Copart reaches out to me and tells me that it was sold, because somebody from corporate could hit me up and say, yeah, it finally sold, TK. I'll give you an actual update video and let you know that it actually sold. And as long as they're okay with saying who the buyer is, I know who the buyer is, then I'll disclose that. But that's not public information, so it's not something I can tell you. But all I can tell you right now is, currently right now, the counter offer has not been acknowledged. It hasn't been answered yet. So until that counter offer, it's just pending. It's pending right now. Sale is pending. All right? Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Now you guys know there's no more guessing. I'm telling you, that is what it is. See you guys on the next one. Peace!